Alright, so today we'll be showcasing these HELLA TE40 Electronic Trumpet Horns, which are basically absolutely and totally plug and play DIY. You can do it yourself, you can fit it yourself onto your vehicle, whatever it is, car or an SUV. Today we have a Toyota Hilux with us, so we're going to be testing it out on this, comparing it with the stock Toyota horn on this truck, and you can make your decision accordingly. So first things first, the horns are placed underneath this panel. So this panel is very easy to remove on the Toyota Hilux. Just some plastic tabs. But before we go ahead and swap out the horns with the HELLA TE40 IP65 rated weather resistant horns, let us just honk a couple of times with the stock horns and see how that works for us. So just give me a sec, and here we go. 1, 2 and 3. So that's your stock horns of the Toyota Hilux that come from the factory. Now just give me some time. I'm gonna just quickly swap out the horns with these plug and play TE40 horns, and I'll show you what the output is over there. Alright, so we have our brand spanking new HELLA TE40 Electronic Trumpet Horns mounted on our Toyota Hilux, both the left hand side and the right hand side, the high and the low pitch, both of them. Like you can see, they mount very easily onto the stock position of the factory horns, and that's basically it. You can have a look at the old puny little horns from the Toyota factory. And now very simply, you can just place this plastic cover back and just put in the plastic tabs, and your DIY horn upgrade is done. Now just a couple of pointers basically. When you mount these horns, both the terminals on both the horns, on the HELLA horns, face the same side, so you might have to just pull this wire to the terminal a little more. There's no cutting or splicing or modification to your wiring harness involved at all. These are the same factory tabs that go onto your stock horn, and everything is the same. You just plug and play this horn, and once it's fit, you can forget about it. And it is also, like I mentioned, I guess it is IP65 rated and will stand up to most of the adventures that we throw onto this vehicle. Now just very quickly, let me just make you hear what this horn sounds like. 3, 2 and 1. So sounds pretty robust, and seems like it's prepared to take on the Indian road conditions, or road conditions anywhere in the world that you are. With this Hilux, because with this kind of a vehicle you can really go travel the world. So that's basically it. That's your horn upgrade on the Toyota Hilux with the HELLA TE40 Electronic Trumpet Horns. To get your HELLA horns and HELLA lights and your ditch light brackets, etc. A lot of new stuff coming up on discovererautomotive.com. That is www.discovererautomotive.com. Cheers.